Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Yesterday we started lesson 2, the Chinese New Year. We did first 4 paragraphs. Today we will start from the 5th paragraph, giving good luck gifts. It is a traditional रवायती practice रवाज for adults, बड़ों के लिए, to give children little red envelopes filled with मनी. ये आने वाले साल में दौलत और खुशहाली की अलामत को ज़ाहिर करने के लिए बड़ों का बच्चों को रकम से भरे छोटे छोटे सुर्ख लिफाफे देना एक रवायती मामूल है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉमन फॉर एल्डर्स. बड़ों में ये भी आम है टू प्रेजेंट रेड पैकेट्स टू अनमैरिड मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली, कि ख़ानदान के गैर शादीशुदा अफराद को सुर्ख पैकेट पेश किए जाएं. Envelopes are not to be opened until the recipient has left the house home of the giver. जब तक लिफाफा लेने वाला देने वाले के घर को से चला ना जाए उस वक्त तक लिफाफे को खोला नहीं जाता. Every year is associated with one of the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac. चीनी बरूज का हर साल 12 जानवरों में से किसी एक के साथ मंसूब किया जाता है. These animals are often represented in decorations. ये जानवर अक्सर ज़िबाइश के साथ पेश किए जाते हैं. Some people believe, कुछ लोगों का अकीदा है, that those born during the year of a particular animal, कि उस ख़ास जानवर के साल के दौरान पैदा होने वाले लोग have the character traits of that animal, उस जानवर की फितरी खसूसियात के मालिक होते हैं. Chinese New Year is a time, चीनी साल नौ वो वक्त होता है when the family should come together, जब ख़ानदान इकट्ठा होता है, in order to give thanks for the year that has passed, गुज़रे हुए साल का शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए, and reinvigorate themselves for the coming year, और आने वाले साल के लिए खुद को ताज़ा दम करने के लिए. Come to the box questions. Question number 1. Why is Chinese New Year never fall on the same day each year? The Chinese follow lunar calendar, which differs from the Gregorian calendar. Therefore, the Chinese New Year never starts on the same date each year. Question number 2. What is the Chinese belief about cleaning houses before the New Year day? The Chinese believe that cleaning of houses before the New Year day removes the bad luck of the previous year. Why does the dinner consist of 8 to 9 dishes? The dinner consists of 8 to 9 dishes because in Chinese language 8 means prosperity and 9 means long lasting. Is the Chinese belief about people having character traits of animal a fact or an opinion? There may be some reality in the belief, but it is their own point of view. Come to the glossary. First word is association. वाबस्तगी, ताल्लुक, connection, link, relation. Next, celebration, तकरीब, feast day, festival, party of some special event, customary, रवाज, रस्म, traditional, conventional, gatherings, ijtamaat, crowd, party, meetings, bringing together or coming together of people or family, lunar, qamri, relating to the moon, partake, shirkat karna, to take part in, participate, join, recipient, वसूल करने वाला, receiver, one who receives, reinvigorate, ताज़ा दम होना, refresh, energize, strengthen, symbolize, अलामत होना, to represent something by means of a symbol. B, the sign of. Traits, khususiyat, qualities, features, characteristics. Next is meanings, gatherings, meetings, company, crowd, customary, conventional, traditional, thoroughly, completely, commonplace, customary, usual, partake, participate, join, traits, characteristics, reinvigorate, refresh, energize. Next, form nouns from the given words. Nouns, what a noun is a name of something. Either they are person, feelings, things. Celebrate, celebration. Gather, gathering. Symbolic, symbol. Prosper, prosperity. Decorate, decoration. Encourage, encouragement. Choose the correct option. Chinese New Year falls somewhere. Option A on January 21st, option B January 20th, and option C between January 21st and February 20th. And the correct answer is between January 21st and February 20th. Second, paragraph 1 gives A. General details of festivals. B. Specific details of the Chinese New Year. C. General details of the New Year celebration. And the correct option is specific details of the Chinese New Year. Number 3, it is customary for families to thoroughly clean their houses. Option A, before the first day of the new year. Option B, on the second day of the new year. And option C, on the first day of the new year. And the correct option is before the first day of the new year. Next, hanging up signs and posters on the doors and windows mean. Option A, love and sincerity. Option B, care and affection. Option C, luck and happiness. The correct option is luck and happiness. And the last sentence, envelopes are not to be opened until. Option A, the giver has left the home of the recipient. Option B, the recipient has left the home of the giver. Option C, the giver has gone to sleep. And the correct option of this sentence is the recipient has left the home of the giver.